क्लास 12th का आज डिस्कस करेंगे हम डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी अल्कोहल्स. द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्राइमरी अल्कोहल इज R CH2OH. This is the general formula for primary alcohol. This is general formula. R2CHOH is the general formula for secondary alcohol, and R3COH is the general formula for tertiary alcohol. Now we can discuss the primary, differentiate the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol based upon the various tests. The first test is Victor-Meyer test. The first test is Victor-Meyer Victor-Meyer test. The first test is Victor-Meyer test. This is a multi-step process, and in this test the first step is reaction of primary alcohol with phosphorus plus iodine. When primary alcohol react with phosphorus plus iodine, we can get iodides. Alkyl iodide are obtained. Alkyl iodide are obtained. In the second step, we react with AgNO2. We can get RCH. This iodine is replaced by NO2 group. We can get CH2NO2. And in the third, when react with HONO, the product is RCHNOHNO2. This is called nitrosol is formed, and when at the last it react with the base, that is sodium hydroxide, red color can be obtained. This is Victor-Meyer test is a multi-step process. In first step, primary alcohol react with mixture of phosphorus plus iodine to form alkyl iodides. In the second step, they react with silver nitrite. We can get alkyl nitrite. In the third step, they react with HONO, that is nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. We can get nitrosols, which upon reaction with the base gives red coloration. When secondary alcohol react with phosphorus plus iodine, the first step is same, that is R2CHI can be obtained. In the second step, when react with AgNO2, we can get R2CHNO2. Then third, HO, reaction with HONO, the product is R2C triple bond. This is called pseudonitrole, PSEUDONITROLE. Pseudonitrole can be obtained, which upon reaction with base gives blue coloration. In Victor-Meyer test, primary alcohol gives red coloration, secondary alcohol gives blue coloration, and tertiary alcohol react with phosphorus plus iodine. First step is same, R3CI. Second step is again same, R3CNO2. In the third step, this tertiary alcohol neither react with HONO nor it can react with base, that is sodium hydroxide. The resulting compound is colorless. When in Victor-Meyer test, primary alcohol gives red coloration. When alcohol is secondary, they gives blue coloration, and when alcohol is tertiary, that is colorless product can be obtained. In the next will be Lucas test. LUCAS, Lucas test. What is Lucas test? Basically, this is again the test used for the distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, and in this case when Lucas test is basically based upon the Lucas reagent. It is a equimolar solution of concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous zinc chloride ZnCl2, means 1:1 mixture of HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is called Lucas reagent. This reagent is basically used for halogenation reaction, of alkyls. In this reaction, when primary alcohol react with Lucas reagent, that is concentrated HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride, they gives RCH2I plus H2O. Here this is primary alkyl halide where no turbidity appear. In primary alcohol, when react with the Lucas reagent, the turbidity cannot be appeared. In secondary alcohol, when react with Lucas reagent, they gives secondary iodide in which turbidity appear in 5 minutes. And when we react with the tertiary alcohol 3D with Lucas reagent, the compound is R3CI, and in this case turbidity appear immediately. In tertiary alcohol, the turbidity appear immediately. This indicate tertiary alcohol. When turbidity appear in 5 minutes, it is secondary alcohol. When the solution is non-turbid, that is primary alcohol. The third test is reaction with hot. Third test is reaction with hot copper. Basically, hot copper is a oxidizing agent. It involves removal of oxygen. Let us see here, when primary alcohol react with hot copper at 573 Kelvin, we can get aldehydes RCHO plus H2. When secondary alcohol react with hot copper, they gives ketone, and when tertiary alcohol react with hot copper, they gives alkene. Means tertiary alcohol gives alkene, secondary alcohol gives ketone, and primary alcohols gives aldehydes. This is the general formula of aldehyde. So these three tests are used for the distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Thank you.